Hey, today I am here with the best Samsung mid-range phone, that is Samsung M31. I bought this phone from Amazon, and if you want to buy, I am going to provide you link in description, and by using this link you are going to get discount as well. Not only this, I am going to give surprise to my subscriber and lovers at the end of this video. So please watch this video till the end and get the surprise. So let's unbox the phone. And here it is, a box inside the case and builds Samsung M31. Here you can see price and phone variant. Now let's break the seal of the box. And here's 1, 2, 3, boom! I keep the phone aside and let's see what given in box with phones. Or it is Samsung fast charging adapter and USB Type-C data cable, and nothing more than this. That's it. And finally filling up the plastic cover and starting the device. Now almost everything is done. So let's check the specification of this phone. It's come with 6000 mAh huge massive battery. It comes with two variants of RAM, and here I have of 6 GB of RAM and 120 GB of internal storage. It comes with quad camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel depth camera, and 5 megapixel macro lens camera. In front it comes with 32 megapixel camera. This phone comes with 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, physical fingerprint in the back side, and polycarbonate body. It supports fast charging up to 15 watt, which is included in the phone box itself. So no need to buy extra. Now I really know that everyone is waiting for the surprise, which I have said in the beginning of the video. Surprise is that I'm going to give away this phone. So to participate in this giveaway, what you have to do is subscribe my channel first, then like and comment in this video. Then I'll choose one of you and handing this phone to you. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good luck.